Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Just going to show you this quick intro to get involved in this competition running on Bybit. The link is in the video description below. Please do get involved. I'm trying to build a massive crew here, CoinsKid crew. I want the community, I want the CoinsKid crew to win this because it'd be amazing. You know, there's a massive prize pool of $8 million. I think it's going to get shared out as well, which would be amazing. But it would be such a good thing for the CoinsKid crew to win this. So please do get involved, okay? The link is in the video description below. Thank you. Here's the video. Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP and once again, thank you for support. Okay, big little CoinsKid crew. So it's so hot where I am right now. It's unbelievably hot. It's really struggling to make a video today, to be honest with you. Hence why this one's so late. I do apologise, but right now, for me, XRP here is taking off into space. So you're getting really, really far away from these EMAs, and I do expect at some point to run into a kilo resistance and to come back for support. But the thing is here, we're looking at the chart inverted, aren't we? So right now, if I flip the chart, you could see how that would be quite a nice little retracement that we could experience. Now the question is on everybody's lips, where is the overextension going to go to? You know, because look at that, you're going parabolic there for XRP. Look at that, you're taking off into space. And like I've said to you, if you go back to the videos just there, I said you're taking off into space. Think about your position because you're going to come back for support. And when you came back for support, you basically deleted the trend. You stopped the uptrend and you created this massive downtrend. So you can see how quickly XRP can turn a screw and go in the other direction. So if, for example, right now, no guarantees, but if XRP comes back and starts to lose all this support, i.e. resistance, and starts to fall through it, then you could see how the trend could be reversed just like it was just there. Okay, do you see when you come up in that last impulsive move just there and you met the 1618 target and rolled into this big massive ABC correction? So you know, I've always taught you that overextension leads to retracement, and right now I think that you're sort of taking off in space there. It's too much greed, okay, too much greed in either direction. It works in the same. Look, overextension leads to retracement, overextension from the leaf to retracement, you know. So I would not necessarily be advising you to buy if I'd seen the chart like that going to the upside, and this is why I'm not necessarily advising you to sell, you know, because I don't advise anything, but you know, don't sell into the fear. This is what I'm trying to say to you, okay? Just here, people don't want to sell into the greed. Look at this, you're overextended. They don't want to sell into the greed, and here they don't want to buy into the fear. It's the way the market works, you understand? But this is the maximum opportunity of profit, and this is the maximum opportunity of profit to the upside when it starts to come back up. Do you understand? So, you know, maximum opportunity of taking profit and maximum opportunity of getting involved in the market to reap the rewards of profit on the upside. But again, no guarantees. Now, one thing we can always identify overextension is the RSI. So if we take a look at the RSI here, in this instance, just there when you got really overextended, really far from the EMAs, you was really overbought in the RSI, and this is one of the key indicators. Coupled with that, and coupled with being really far away from the EMAs, it's one thing you need to take on board to say, wow, I've got to take a bit of profit here because we're taking off into space, you know. And at that point, go back to the videos at this point, try and find them, because I was telling you, you've met the 1618 and you're coming in for a big ABC correction at that point, because this is what XRP does. It comes in for the retracement. If you hold support and come back up the stairs and break the high, you're going to be in another impulsive wave target. But in this instance, we came back and we've been in this long drawn out ABC correction, which it is what it is, okay? But one thing we can identify, trend exhaustion in any direction, is overextension from the EMAs. There's primarily the 20 EMA, which is a really strong level of support in an uptrend, and primarily in the other direction, which is the 20 EMA being under it, is a key support in a downtrend. You see that? Key resistance, sorry, for the continuation of the trend. Look, since you lost it, you've been coming down. One thing you've not done since the beginning of April, which is way over 2 months ago right now, is retest this white yellow line as resistance for the continuation of the trend. So this is why I'm expecting through this overextension, coupled with the overextension and the oversold target here on the RSI, like I said to you, the weekly RSI, if you see it in the floor, buy more. But you need to be coupled with that, you need to be really, really far away from these EMAs, because at that point you get really overextended, and this is where you come in for your retracement, okay? It's not rocket science, it's the charts. This is what it's telling you. So, you know, I'm not feeding you no bullshit. I'm not trying to sort of be bull or bear or whatever. It's technical analysis, and this is what I do. I teach you everything I see, and I've learned over the years, okay? So overextension leads to retracement, but the point is, where is the top, basically, or where's the bottom in this instance? You know, the top was found just there because it was a 1618 fib. Let me show you right now. So it was at that point you got really overextended. I said to you, think about your position. You're going to come in for an ABC, because this is what XRP does. This is what these projects do. You came up to the 1618. Look at that, on the absolute dollar and cent. That's what won me a lot of credibility on the you know, the YouTube channel here. It absolutely went parabolic. The channel, the subscribers went through the roof because I nailed that when he was coiling up down here making XRP videos. I was the only one one telling you you're going to run into that and then come back for an ABC, which you did. So anyway, I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but the thing is, when the market moves up and down, it likes to meet the 1618 before it comes in for retracements, okay? Like here, for example, the Corona dump just there. So if we move to the left from there to there, you can see the 1618, what happened? ABC correction. You know, I wrote all this. So at this point, you retrace to this low, and let's look at the retracement level from there. From that high just there, okay, we came in for the retracement, and where did we find support? The 702 fib. Look at that, we wicked through it. Fantastic area to put bids in. You actually would have been decent just putting bids on the accumulation level here. This is the weekly time frame on the golden ratio just there on 0222. That's always a good level of accumulation if you can get it, okay? Sometimes in a really strong uptrend, it doesn't necessarily retrace that deep, but this is some kind of capitulation here, some kind of monster ABC correction, because you're absolutely bolted out here, okay? And obviously this was fueled by the SEC and the sparking airdrop, the sell-off there. Look at that big correction. If we take a look at that, you know, I remember this is some kind of capitulation. Look at that, 77%. Wow. And it was done really, really quickly and then immediately brought back up. So this is the volatility of crypto, everybody. Welcome to crypto. This is how volatile it is. So what this is no different from what this is, but this is quicker, shorter in a bull run, and this is more drawn out. Do you understand? So in my opinion, you've got this large macro 1, you've got this large macro 2, you're coming back for support, you're looking for the 1618 fib, you're going to get overextended at that point. You can't really go beyond that. You know, if you do, you're looking at the 2 fib down here. Your target is this 027. You meet that, bounce off it, fantastic. Is there any other targets here for XRP? I'll show you, okay? Just like we've retraced here to this low, we've got the 702, would have been fruitful putting bids in. I think that what you're doing right now, you're retracing to this low from March 2020. Okay, so this is the start of the bull run here. This is the end of the previous bear market, which took 2 years to end. You ended the bull market in 2018 January for XRP. Then you was in a 2-year bear market, which ended there in March. And right now, I think you're in this massive super cycle here, where you've got this impulsive wave 1, this corrective wave 2, and you're looking at a monster third wave leading into next year. Once this correction's done, you're going to be up here somewhere, okay? But again, no guarantees, okay? This is something I'm looking at. Until you lose this support down here. So at the minute, what you're doing is you've come up impulsively in this large first wave, and you're coming back correctively in this second wave to this low, basically. So these are your retracement levels right now. As you can see, XRP is down there on the golden ratio at the moment. You wick through it, so your next level of support is this 702 fib at 02456, and equally the 2 fib of this reversal wave that you're going through, this potential final 5th wave down here for XRP. So if it gets a bit nasty over the next 4 days, that would be a massive level of support for me, where you might get a little wick grab if we start to fall through this golden ratio, okay? The ABC target just there for XRP, the ABC is this 1618 just there, 02754. But if you wick through it, then that would be an amazing level of support to 072, because, and I think I've shown you in yesterday's video, XRP and a lot of these crypto projects do like the 702 fib, okay? And we can look at this here. If we go from there to there, you can see that you ran into resistance on the 702. This way you got rejected, and you come down this C leg. Equally, just here where you ran into resistance, when you when you retrace to this low, and this impulsive move, corrective move down, 702, fantastic area to put bids in, okay? So it's looking poised, isn't it? You know, it's looking poised. Is there any guarantees that it's going to roll? Absolutely none. You know, because XRP, the C leg could actually be an air done, and you might come up this month, start to retrace, hold a high low, and at that point you lows in. At one point, you know, you're going to get back above these EMAs, and that's going to be a really, really bullish event here for XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. I can't get more sort of explanatory than what I'm being in the channel and in the videos, okay? It's not perma bull or perma bear, it's technical analysis, it's support and resistance, okay? You're coming down, and like I said to you, overextension leads to retracement, and the retracement is going to give the game away here. What is XRP doing? Is it in this big bear market where you're going to come up, create a lower high and roll, or is this wave 2 done? You've got your ABC correction done, Bitcoin's at the foot of the mountain, lots of altcoins are at the foot of the mountain, and you're going to begin the retracement once you lowball out, okay? So hopefully it's coming, and at that point we start to break that high. You're up there on that third wave just there, and I'll give you all the targets, and I've shown you how each 1618 target has been met here on the dollar and a cent, and I expect this impulsive move to come up to meet the 1618 at bare minimum as well, okay? Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.